What are you looking for in terms of people in Victoria regarding Rolling Thunder?
Hmm. The kind of people that I like to train with are people who have a proclivity towards serving people, healers and messengers and spiritual minded people, that kind of a thing. Specifically, like with Rolling Thunder, I've trained with women and men. I've trained with young people and older people. And the people that I find take to the training the most are the ones who just want to be able to help others by helping themselves, by getting themselves in a place of balance and strength and synergy. They're able to better help other people with that extra energy or that extra input or whatever the case is. So the kind of people I like to train with are very humble people, but they're very strong people. You can feel their courage, you can feel their strength, their spiritual strength, their maybe a physical strength, or maybe we all have our strengths and weaknesses. So some people might not be blessed physically, but they've got a really strong heart. Some people might not have the strongest heart, but they've got a really sharp, keen mind and see things others don't. So we all have our strengths and weaknesses to work with, and the people I like to train with are the ones who want to further develop that and have a vision somewhere of being of service to the people and using their skills and knowledge to be a better helper. And help can come in so many ways. The being asked to serve, it can come in so many ways, and it happens daily if you want it to. Helping someone across the street, opening doors for someone, sitting and listening to someone just because they need someone to talk to. Standing up and speaking out against things when you know they're wrong in a situation, instead of being quiet. Be that person who stands up and says, hey, no, this isn't right, this is wrong. We need more people like that in this world. We need more people to have that courage to stand up against these oppressive forces that are in the world and people doing terrible things. We need someone to get in the way and stop that and take the courage and time to do that.